Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel A&D Interiors. This is Mohammad Zohaib, and in this video you will be learning the elements of interior design. Make sure you have watched our previous video of Introduction to Interior Design so that you don't miss any information of these sessions. Before moving ahead, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload a video. What are elements and why are they important? Elements act like the weapons which you require before designing. It guides us to the principles of designing. For example, how bright a color is used, why certain shapes and textures are used, why certain type of lighting is important. So before you jump to the conclusions, make sure your elements are well known in order to make way for further designing. There are basically 7 elements of an interior design, starting from space. Then comes light, form, texture, color, furniture and objects. Kindly make a note of whatever I am saying, as it is very useful concept which you need to understand before you start designing. Now we will look into each elements in details. First comes space. Space is the area where you will create the design, and it shows the length, width and height of a room. You need to carefully inspect the space before you start planning about its utilization. Complete measurements are to be taken so that you get an idea of what furniture or accessories is to be placed in every part of the room. You can see there is an image on the screen, which is clear representation of space, showing a room is partitioned by large wooden panels and also slide across the space, giving flexibility to the room. The second element of an interior design is light. Lighting is an important element as it sets the mood of a room. It is to be understood that the use of light in each room affects the appearance of color and texture of the room. For example, in the image shown on the screen, the pendant and ceiling light in the kitchen provide sufficient lighting, whereas these pendant lights will not provide sufficient lighting if used in bedrooms. The third element is form. Form is the physical shape of objects which contains volume and mass. It is closely related to the lines and finishing through which it creates certain effects in the overall design of the room. You can see in the image below, the form of the wall is combined by many similar shapes to give it a perfect look. The fourth element is texture. Texture refers to the surface quality of a material. It can be smooth, rough, bumpy or flat. It helps to differentiate various objects and surfaces, transforms light, influence scale and create perfect design style. You can see in the image that the textured wall tiles gives a perfect look to the living room in accordance with the furniture and geometric pattern rug. The fifth element is color. Color establishes an aesthetic connection between objects and sets the mood. It can make or break a space. So make sure you choose color wisely, which should not create a dull look to any room. You can see in the image, a deep yellow with a combination of red is perfect for a kid's bedroom and gives a spacious look to the room. The sixth element is furniture. Furniture brings function to the space. The importance of furniture in interior design lies in its role as a functional, spatial circulation and design element. Furniture should be chosen wisely as it can overcrowd a room if you are not aware of the room dimensions. You can see in the image that the furniture looks perfect as per the space and gives a modern look to the living room. The last element is objects. Objects enhances the beauty of the room. Objects can be any decorative piece such as mirrors, vases, or wall accessories which will create a great visual impact. You can see in the image the use of few objects. That's all for today, and I hope this video session was useful for you. In the next video session, I will tell you about the history of interior design. Make sure you like, comment and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram to get the latest updates. The link is given in the description box. Thank you.